Welcome to Bajwa Family Cooks, guys. Today I make Punjabi snacks Matri, and English we can call is crunchy savory snack, and it's very easy to make. Everybody can make it. I will show you how to make it. Today we're making very crispy savory snack. In Punjabi we call it Matri, and English you guys can say savory snack, crunchy savory snack. So for this I'm taking 4 bowls self-raising flour. That's the third one, and now I'm gonna add one more. Here you go. In this bowl, we're gonna put, it's desi ghee, it's butter ghee. Now time to add carom seeds. In Punjabi we call is ajwain, 1 tablespoon, and I'm taking a little bit more because I like it. And now time to add salt. We need to mix everything properly, nicely. So our dough is nearly ready. So you can see it's very neat and clean now. So it's gonna be rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're gonna make another dough. So after 15 to 20 minutes rest, our dough is very nice and ready. And now we make it just like this. Pieces. How many pieces we can do? Just make like this size. So rest these pieces for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes rest, we need to make this dough like this. Put some oil on your rolling pin. Now roll out your dough as flat you can. Now time to give a shape. So 1-inch strips. And then we need to give this like this shape. Here you go. I like this shape. You guys can give any shape. So now time to pick up these pieces. And we can put as it is. Don't worry about it sticking together. When we're gonna put in oil, it's gonna be separate. I will come back to you guys after cutting these all strips like this. Now time to put strips in oil, okay? So we're gonna take like this and put in oil. As you can see, it's separated now, and you guys can see it's very nice in color and crunchy, and it's ready to eat. So time to take out.